G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now the Files app in Microsoft Teams is being replaced by OneDrive for Business. So what you are going to see and what we're going to go through today is we're just going to take a look at what the user experience is like. Now I've always said that the sharing user experience across Microsoft 365 is one of the best and unified experiences across the platform. This is going to also become a really nice experience regardless of where you're accessing your files or OneDrive from. Now we've got this inside of Microsoft Teams. It doesn't matter if we're in our OneDrive for Business inside the browser, in the standalone app, or in Microsoft Teams, we do have that same experience. So we can see here that the Files app in the rail will become OneDrive. So we can see we've got this new tab here, or this new button sitting in the side rail. We can see when we launch this that we've got a few different sections, and it does resemble that of OneDrive for Business. So we start on the home experience here, where we can find all of our recent files that we have been working on. We can get back to them really quickly. We've got our For You section across the top. Now this is AI powered. Everything's AI powered these days, but this is an AI powered section of the homepage where it's recommendations with some thumbnails that are presented to you. Now we can see in the recent, we've got a few little filtering options, our Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF as well. One of the really good experiences in OneDrive is this shared tab here. So when we share files or when files are being shared with you, they're generally, you get a notification via email. What this really becomes is your portal or your one place where you can get back to those shared documents, whether they're the ones that you have shared with other people or documents that have been shared by you. So you can see we've got with you and we've got by you. In the with you section, a great option here is being able to be filter this by a name or a person. So I might say filter this by Alex, and this gives me all the files that Alex has shared with me. So no more needing to go through my email inbox for those invitations or those sharing invites that come from particular people. We can just jump into this sharing section here, or this shared view, and we can filter and find everything that we need to there. A couple of new experiences that have rolled out into the OneDrive app now, obviously inside of Teams as well, is the people and the meeting section. So the people section here is all about specifically and scope to the people. So we can see here that any document that Alex has shared comes under here. I can pin this as a preferred or a nice quick access to particular people as well. Now in the meeting section, this will be where files appear that have been shared throughout different meetings as well. All right, so no more needing to go through or trying to remember what those files that were shared during that meeting. They will all appear inside of this new experience here inside of the meetings. Now again, another great functionality here is the favorite section. So being able to favorite your documents across Microsoft 365 and have them appear almost as a quick access or bookmark section here. So if we give that a little bit of a go here, we can see here that I might want to favorite a couple of different documents. I might even favorite some loop pages here too. So let's just favorite a few different documents, and we'll see that experience come into the favorite section here inside of Microsoft Teams. So I'll just flick in and out of this again, and we can see that they are now coming in as well. All right, so having the ability here also to filter by name or person, that is something that is a really nice handy feature to have as well. So quick access down the bottom here, obviously accessing all of our team related or SharePoint site related documents, libraries as well. We can see that we've got that experience across the top. We can add our shortcut to OneDrive. We can open it directly inside of SharePoint as well. And then we do have that functionality of that we do see in the OneDrive for Business application as well. So all of that now coming into Microsoft Teams as the OneDrive OneDrive app that is replacing the Files app. And again, that user experience and that common way of accessing your files, whether you're in the app in the browser, whether you are in Microsoft Teams, we now have that unified experience across the different endpoints. You could even add the OneDrive app as an application on your PC as well. All right, so when we jump into if we jump up to OneDrive here, we could install this as an app inside of on your device as well. So if we install this, what we will see is we have that app that has been installed here, and let's allow this, and then you can see we do have that experience inside of this dedicated web app, progressive web app as well. All right, so same experience in this web app that's now installed on my computer, in the browser here in OneDrive. So if I jump into OneDrive, there's the experience there. And then inside of Microsoft Teams, we again have that same unified experience. So a really good inclusion, I think, into Microsoft Teams, the OneDrive for app, replacing the Files app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next edition.